Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can prevent someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking it. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching the video. So, let us get down to our topic. And for that, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, go to the chat section. And now go to the correspondence with the person from whom you would like to ban calls. Next, at the top, tap on the name of that person. Scroll down a little bit and go to the notifications section. And this is where you can turn off notifications. And as you can see, you have the choice of 8 hours, 1 week, or permanently. So when some person calls you, you won't have notifications about it on WhatsApp. And let's say if you turn it off for 1 week. Then, as you can see, this calendar appears with time and shows you how much the notification will be deactivated for that person specifically and when they will be reactivated. In the same way, you can disable notifications permanently. Friends, this is the simple way you can prevent someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking that person. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, and also don't forget to put your likes. See you soon.